Okay guys, first thing we're gonna do, we gotta machine the one surface. You can do this on a sander if you don't have a milling machine. I have a milling machine, so we're gonna head over to the mill and mill this off. Okay guys, we got that surface over on the milling machine. Next thing we got is there's 2 slotted holes in here. We're gonna put a 3/16 end mill in the mill and we're gonna put the slots in there. All right, so I'm gonna lay this out right now. Guys, get me on accuracy. This is an old refrigerator hinge, not that big of a deal, and it's slotted. So we're gonna lay it out real quick, chuck it over in the mill and mill it. Okay guys, got the slots put in. Last thing we're gonna do, we got a pin. It actually goes through both sides. I cut this one off so I could get some measurements. What I did, went to a buddy's shop. I don't have a lathe here, so I made a pin out of brass. I'm gonna drill a hole in there. We're gonna push it in, and that should be good.
Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Joe. I'm the video editor of the channel and I'm also Dave's son-in-law. Before I ended this video, I wanted to show you guys what the hinge looked like on the actual fridge door. But before I go, I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing and watching all our videos. You guys are really making this a lot of fun for me and Dave to keep putting content out here, so thank you guys for that.